Hello everyone, my name is Dwaipayan Chatterjee and I am from University of Cologne. I currently work in the area of environmental monitoring for cloud systems using deep learning methods. In Earth System Science, I want to focus on the parameters that controls the clouds. For example, I'm interested in how the clouds form, they develop, but understanding this phenomena is very complicated. At the same time, we have a lot of observational data coming from satellites and from ground-based remote sensing sensors. Therefore, we want an independent, purely data-driven way of understanding the cloud systems. Now, the question that comes from the artificial intelligence point of view is that, can artificial intelligence enable us to have a broader sense of understanding about the cloud systems? Is there a new way to get information on these complicated systems? Therefore, the question that I ask myself is, can the satellite images provide supervision for the cloud system characterization? Or in other words, can it be a data-driven task for the deep learning method? Now, the data that I use. I'm interested in satellites which are continuously monitoring over a region of the Earth, and for Europe, I'm using Meteosat 2nd generation. There is something novel about the data. The data is getting post-processed at high spatiotemporal resolution. Just to put the numbers correct, it is 66% enhancement than the current 2nd generation satellites. About the methods that I apply. I know that this figure looks scary, but in simple words, it is trying to put similar images together. And the weights of the convolutional neural network are continuously adjusting themselves to learn the similarity. For example, we can see here that at the end of the training, the algorithm is saying that on the left-hand side, this image belongs to class 1 and the other image belongs to class 5. It is exciting to see here that in the beginning we didn't have any labels, but at the end we have labels for each and every image. Now, can the AI learn well? The plot which I am showing here represents the self-learning capability of the AI model. In every image, there is a box, and the box is having a color. Each color represents one group. So we can see here how the algorithm has learned to recognize the cloud systems based on their pattern and distribution. That's all for me. And if you have any questions, you can ask me.